Okay, this is a super quick one, but quite good fun. If when you're doing a sketch, so we're going to sketch on the front plane, start a sketch, see the sketch is open. If you want to create a dynamic mirror line, this can be quite handy, so just draw a line instead of mirroring things. Let's get rid of those additional bits. Okay, right, just draw a line and then go up to Tools and then go to Sketch Tools and Dynamic Mirror. Click on Dynamic Mirror and then click the line. And you'll see you get these two little kind of dashes saying, just indicating that it's a dynamic mirror line. Basically, everything you draw on one side will automatically get mirrored on the other side. So, there you go. Likewise, if you draw on the other side, it will mirror everything this side. So whatever you do to it, so you want to move it over, I don't know, dimension, it'll do that. See, there we go. Obviously it's created some relationships with some of this other stuff automatically. But that's dynamic mirror lines. So just to run through that again, let's just get rid of that sketch. All you do is sketch, draw a line, go to Tools, Sketch Tools, Dynamic Mirror, choose the line, or if you'd highlighted it and then choose a dynamic tool, you'll get that. And then basically whatever you do on one side gets replicated on the other. So it's quite handy if you're going to like draw something symmetrical. If you want to create a symmetrical shape and then extrude it, it's just a quick way of doing that. So, and then everything you dimension on one side just gets doubled up on the other. Anyway, hope this helps. See you soon.